All right, everyone, so the haircut on Devin is done, and I'm super excited to talk to you all about it. So let's spin around this way. What I did is I started off with a nice, kind of really close taper in through here, and I want to work the blend up in through here, and then work the length where this is like the focal point of the haircut. So I used like a half guard in through here and really softly blended it and connected all of this right in through the sides and the back. And the goal of this was to really work off of his existing length on top. And he's got great natural curl. Let's spin back around this way. So what I did is I really narrowed the shape in throughout here. Turn this way just a little bit, because before he had so much hair and didn't have much of like an actual style to it. So I wanted to cut a style into the hair so it lasts as it grows out and it looks really, really good. The top, I cut it to where it's about, I'd say, 2.5 to 3 inches long. Again, his hair naturally is wavy and curly. So if you cut it too short, you're gonna lose a lot of that nice wave and texture he has. So I want to keep that, but have that as part of the actual look. And then what I did, and this is literally the perfect product for this type of style, and you love the smell of it, right?
Yeah, it smells amazing.
That's my cologne, not this. No. But yeah, this really does smell amazing. Tidal Wave, it's my #1 selling product. So if you want something to enhance the curl, you want to add a little volume to it, a very natural type of product, this is amazing. And if you use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20, you get 20% off and free shipping in the United States, but you're getting this today for free. So I'm stoked.
Smells like the ocean. Totally recommend.
It does, definitely. So I hope you all enjoyed it. Definitely follow Devin on social media, and I'll see you all soon.
Thank you for having me.
No problem, man.